Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to RV online class. So, in previous class, I explained you about the globe and map. So now today I am explaining the components of a map. So in globe and map, I explained you about the globe how it is and map also. What is the help both are? How is which is good, which have a good adventures, and which is the little bit less. So after that globe and map, now I am going to explain you the its components. So here first point, that is the components of a map. So here components. Some of the components of a map are called the scales, direction. Here one by one, scale, directions, sign and symbols, and last that is the colors. So these are coming in the components of a map. So here a scale is that it is giving the distance, how much distance it have in the map. So here first we are going to study that is the scale. So scale, it is showing the distance of the maybe country or state or continent, whatever maybe which map we are seeing, that's it. So here for example it shows the here in first point, that is the scale. So in our India map we are seeing the state. So our Karnataka state, how much large it is or how much far from the other state. So we want to see that one, means we have to take the help of the scale. So here in map they are showing the scale, means here they are showing that 1 centimeter means it is 1 kilometer. So giving that 1 centimeter. So like this here, 1 centimeter. For example, our Karnataka is far from the other state. For example, 10 centimeter or 20 centimeter, like this they are showing this. It means that 10 kilometers or 20 or 5 kilometers, like this we have to think. So here in scale they are showing that 1 centimeter means 1 kilometer. 2 centimeter means 2 kilometers. Like this we have to understand that one. So here it means 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. We had to think that it is showing 1 centimeter, means we think that it means 1 kilometer in the map. So here if two cities we are seeing, for example, Yadgir and Gulbarga. These two cities we want to see how much far from each other. So at the time we are seeing the scale in the map. Then they are showing that 78 kilometers from Yadgir to Gulbarga. So they are showing 78 centimeter. Then we have to think it that it is for Gulbarga is far from the Yadgir is far from the Gulbarga. How much? 78 kilometers. So we have to think that 78 centimeter means 78 kilometers. So this way we have to measure the mass by the help of the scale. Then second point, that is the direction. So direction, we know the directions, four directions. We have the four directions. It is too important. Everyone know that north, south, east and west. So these all things we know that. So these four direction all are known, but sub direction is north east, then east south, then southwest, then northwest. So like this it will come. So it is called the sub direction. So by the help of direction we can understand which place our state or country is situated. So for example, in whole world map we are seeing, in whole world map at the time we are seeing our country where it is situated. First we have to see our continent. Our continent, it is coming in the little part of and little up, means in north southern hemisphere also and northern hemisphere also. So at that time we are seeing our country in Asia. Our country is situated in southern part of the Asia. So like this we can see, means direction. So like it is helping us which part we are staying, means maybe north, west, east or south, like this. So it is helping us. These directions are helping us to see our maybe country, city, town or continent. So then next, sign and symbols. So sign and symbols. We can, by the help of sign and symbol we can understand the map. So for example, we want to see the mountains. In a map, we took one map of maybe country or state or any city or town. In that we want to see, for example, India map we took. In that we want to see the mountains. So in the map, they give us sidely one key block index. So in that they are showing that mountain means, we all know that mountain means like this they are showing. This way, mountains. So its color is brown. Here, keys means sign and symbol they are showing. So first one, mountain. Mountains this way, mountains. And this its color is full darkly brown color. So here they are showing the boxes, brown color box. Then again second one, if you want to see the rivers, means rivers they are showing that this way, and here they are showing that blue color. Here brown color and here blue, sky blue color. Okay, then water color it is. Then again we want to see the other railway lines. Third one, that is the railway lines they are showing like this. So railway line, it's also black color. So by this way we are seeing these all things. Again some other forest. Forest, that is the color. So like this we are see the sign and symbols, means here signs and these are the symbols, these are the signs. So we can easily we can understand they are showing the colors and that all things. So by the help of this we can, in the map they are showing the like this and its color, then we can understand yes these all places have the hills and mountains. Then they are showing like this, just one sky blue color line, then we can understand it is the river. Then again we are seeing like this black color zigzag, then we can know that yes this is the railway line. And if you are seeing the green trees like this, then we can know this area is covered by the forest. And again capital city means they are showing that this way, it means capital city. Then again highway, other many are coming here. Just I am showing this much only. Okay. So by the help of sign and symbols, these are the symbols. So these are the colors. So these are the symbols and signs. So with that, with the help of this, in map we can understand where is the highway, where is the railway line, where is the river, where is the coastal lines, and many forest, hills, ghats, that all things we can understand easily by the help of the sign and symbols. So it is very important. When we are seeing the map, we must should see the sign and symbols. Then only we can understand how is the land or that country. Maybe our country or other country or city or state, that one. So by the help of sign and symbol, we can understand which state or country it have good nature or land or climate, that all everything. So it is very important. We have to see the sign and symbols when we are seeing the maps. Then only we can understand where is which place have the which one important, means which place have the mountains, which place have the rivers, that all things we can see easily. Then last point, that is the colors. So by the help of colors, here colors I told you before. So by the help of color, brown color or light brown or dark brown means it indicates that hills are mountains. Then snow mountains as it is white. Then hills means little brown or dark brown. Then rivers means it indicates the river. Blue sky blue color means it indicates the river. Then railway lines, black. Always it color coming in black color. Then trees, its color coming the green. Green they are showing means it means forest. Dense forest or minor forest. Then again capital cities. Here they are showing the capital city means one round in that big red point. It means capital city of that place, maybe country, maybe state. So this way. And again towns are other things. Town means round, just round it will come. Town is symbol. And color it not have anything, just it giving the round. Then again parks, city, it all have the symbols and its colors also. If we are taking one map, in that map we want, for example, if we took one Yadgir map, in that map we want to see the river, then we have to see the map symbols, that index side they giving them box, key box, that box we have to see. In that they are showing that lightly sky blue color, so it means river color. So with the help of that box symbol we can see in map. Then they are showing that how much kilometer from the town that river is flowing. Then again we want to see the railway line. Then we see again in that box means here. So here they giving that black colors, and that one we have to see again in our map. Then they are showing that how much kilometer far from the town that railway line, or how much kilometer for that railway line to river. So by the help of scale, before I told you scale also. Scale, it is also showing that 1 inch means 1 kilometer. So here they are showing that by the inches. So we have to increase in kilometers, that inch. So we seeing the parks. So they're showing that little bit green park color for the parks. So by the help of these all symbols and signs, we can understand that areas map. So by the help of map, in the map all scale, direction, sign and symbols and colors, we can understand the map better and good. So these are the components of a map. So before in previous class I told you 3 types of maps. In 3 types of maps, maybe you remember, first political map, then again which map? Okay, once again I only saying you political map, physical map, then thematical map. The 3 types of maps are there. Then again these 3 maps just we seeing only political map, we seeing only boundaries of the maybe country, maybe cities or states. Then in physical map just we are seeing in that rivers, forest, then other mountains, plateaus, plains, that are things we can see nicely. Thematical map. In thematical map we see only the climate and other things. So but this full map we want to see means we have to take these all things. Then only we can understand the map how it is. So by the help of scale we can understand how much distance far it is, that place, which place we are seeing. Then by the help of direction we can understand in which direction we have to move or which direction that place is situated. Then sign and symbols. By the help of sign and symbols we can understand which place what have they. If they're showing the green place, it means it indicates that they have the forest. If they're showing the sky blue color, means that is the water, maybe river, maybe lake or pond. If they're showing the black lines, then we can understand that it is the railway line. Okay, then one big circle in that round dot it will come in means it indicates the capital city. So for towns they're showing just one circle, and other things for hospital then they're showing that like this mark. Everyone know this, is it? So these all other for many things here, many symbols are there. So here we have to understand these all things, then only we can understand the map easily. And colors. Here for all these symbols they have the different colors. So before I told you for mountains, for rivers, for forest, for railway line, for everything here they're showing the colors. So by the help of these all things we can understand the better here map. So maps, they are too easy to understand our area. If we are taking the globe, in globe we can see only the whole continents and water bodies, means oceans, maybe big or small. But in maps we can see deeply. World map we can see easily, nicely. In that world map, if we are taking our continent map, then it is also showing very deeply and nicely how many countries are coming in that, which are big rivers flowing in our continent. Then in our continent, again we can taking our country's map. In our country map, we can see the which is the our capital city and how many states are there, which big rivers are flowing in our country, and how many districts are there. Then again we have to take the state map. Then in our state map, in that again they're showing the districts and how many forests are there, big forest, dense forest, and climates, that all they are showing, and political boundaries of the state, that all. Then again we can see our town city map. So by this way, so maps are, comparing to globe, map is too nice and good for understanding the our maybe country or continent or water bodies. So globe, it is good. Globe, it is a model of the earth. We can see easily, very nicely by rotating it whole world, but whole world map. But at a time we want to see, means we have to take the help of the map. In the map we can see at a time whole world map, but in globe just only in front of us, that much only we can see. If you want to see its back, means we have to rotate it, then only we can see. So this is the difference between the globe and map. And maps, if we are dealing on many type of maps, so it is very good. We can see it deeply and we can understand which place is good for visiting, for enjoying, and which place is good for agriculture or education, like this. So according to map, we can see the all things in the map. So here, maybe children, you understood the whole lesson, globes and maps. So in next class, I will explain you next lesson. So here is your lesson is completed. So I think maybe you understood the lesson. So thank you children. God bless you.